Designing a kitchen in a small space can be both a creative challenge and an opportunity to rethink how we use every inch of our home. The minimalist approach provides a perfect solution, balancing simplicity, functionality, and aesthetic clarity. A space-saving minimalist kitchen isn't about having less, it's about creating more value, efficiency, and comfort within a limited area. Here are some of the best ideas to help you design a minimalist kitchen that maximizes space while maintaining an elegant modern charm. 1. Start with a clean layout. The foundation of any successful minimalist kitchen is its layout. Choosing the right arrangement, such as a galley, L-shaped, or single-wall kitchen, helps optimize traffic flow and functionality. For very small apartments, a single-wall layout works best, aligning all appliances and storage on one side to create an open, uncluttered feel. An L-shaped layout, on the other hand, provides a bit more workspace while still maintaining simplicity. Regardless of layout, the goal is to create a smooth workflow between the sink, stove, and refrigerator, often referred to as the kitchen triangle. Keeping this efficient ensures the kitchen feels open yet functional. 2. Use multifunctional furniture and appliances. Space-saving design thrives on versatility. Invest in furniture or appliances that serve multiple purposes. Consider an island with built-in storage drawers or a dining table that doubles as a food prep station. Compact dishwashers, combination microwave ovens, or induction cooktops that sit flush with countertops can help streamline functionality while maintaining visual harmony. Even small choices, like choosing bar stools that tuck neatly under counters, can make a big difference. In minimalist design, every item must earn its place through both purpose and form. 3. Maximize vertical storage. When floor space is limited, look upward. Vertical storage is a key principle of minimalist kitchens. Install tall cabinetry that reaches the ceiling to keep clutter out of sight and maintain a clean aesthetic. Use open shelving sparingly for items you use daily or wish to display, such as ceramics or glass jars, to avoid overcrowding. A magnetic knife strip, hanging rails for utensils, or wall-mounted racks for pots and pans can free up precious countertop space while adding a practical visual rhythm to the kitchen. The trick is to balance storage needs without making walls look busy. 4. Choose a neutral, light color palette. Minimalist design relies heavily on the power of color to create a sense of space. Light and neutral tones, such as white, beige, soft gray, or pale wood, reflect natural light and make small kitchens feel more expansive. To prevent the room from feeling sterile, layer subtle textures like matte cabinetry finishes, ceramic tiles, or stone countertops. Adding small accents of black or dark metal hardware can create elegant contrast, emphasizing the kitchen structure in clean lines. Remember, simplicity in color doesn't mean blandness, it's about balance and visual calm. 5. Embrace hidden storage and built-ins. A hallmark of minimalist kitchens is the absence of visible clutter. Hidden storage systems such as pull-out drawers, integrated appliances, and built-in organizers help maintain that seamless appearance. For instance, opt for a refrigerator with a matching cabinet front or a concealed range hood that blends with upper cabinetry. Pull-out pantry drawers, vertical dividers for trays, or corner carousels can make every centimeter count. A clutter-free environment not only looks elegant, but also contributes to a peaceful, functional atmosphere. 6. Streamline the countertops. Countertops are both a functional workspace and a visual focal point. Keeping them clear of unnecessary objects instantly enhances spaciousness. Only display items you use daily, or those that add a touch of personality, like a coffee maker or a decorative bowl of fruit. For materials, quartz, stainless steel, or polished concrete are excellent minimalist choices. They offer sleek durability and pair beautifully with modern cabinetry. The goal is to create an uninterrupted visual flow that emphasizes simplicity and order. 7. Incorporate smart lighting solutions. Lighting plays a crucial role in expanding the perception of space. Combine natural light with well-placed artificial lighting to create a bright and airy feel. Under-cabinet LED strips or recessed ceiling lights are perfect for illuminating work areas without cluttering the design. Pendant lights above an island or breakfast bar can add a touch of warmth and visual interest, but choose designs that complement the minimalist aesthetic. Simple shapes, clean lines, and soft metallic or matte finishes. A well-lit kitchen not only enhances functionality, but also accentuates the minimalist beauty of your space. 8. Integrate natural elements. Introducing natural materials can bring life and warmth to a minimalist kitchen. Wood, stone, and greenery add texture and depth without overwhelming the design. Consider wooden open shelves, bamboo cutting boards, or marble countertops to add organic balance to the otherwise sleek surfaces. A small indoor plant or herb garden by the window can infuse freshness into the space, softening sharp lines and connecting the kitchen to nature. This subtle balance between modern simplicity and natural warmth makes the space feel both functional and inviting. 9. Use glass and reflective surfaces. In small kitchens, reflective materials can make the space feel larger and brighter. Glossy cabinet finishes, mirrored backsplashes, or glass cabinet doors reflect light and create a sense of depth. Transparent furniture, such as acrylic bar stools or glass pendant lights, also helps maintain visual openness. By playing with reflection and transparency, you can make even the smallest kitchen feel airy and sophisticated. 10. Keep it personal but minimal. Minimalist design doesn't mean personality-free. Choose a few meaningful decor pieces that speak to your style, a framed artwork, a sculptural vase, or a collection of neutral ceramics. Display them mindfully, leaving enough negative space for the eye to rest. The secret is moderation. Every object should have intention, either functional or emotional value. This thoughtful approach ensures your kitchen feels uniquely yours while staying true to minimalist principles. Conclusion: simplicity meets smart design. Creating a space-saving minimalist kitchen is about mastering the art of restraint and intentionality. It's not about removing everything, it's about curating what truly matters. Through clever layouts, hidden storage, multifunctional features, and calming aesthetics, even the smallest kitchen can become a model of efficiency and elegance. A minimalist kitchen encourages clarity, not just in design, but in how we live and interact with our space. By embracing these smart, space-saving ideas, you create a kitchen that feels open, functional, and timelessly stylish, a perfect reflection of modern urban living.